In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your year-end date in Xero. If you're new to accounting software or just need a refresher, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, and by the end you'll be able to confidently adjust your fiscal year-end in Xero with ease. Let's get started by logging into Xero. First, navigate to the Xero login page using your preferred internet browser. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Remember, your Xero account credentials are important, so ensure they are secure. After entering your details, click on login again to access your Xero dashboard. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure you have your device ready to complete the login process. Now that you're on the Xero dashboard, we'll head over to the relevant settings to change your year-end date. On the main menu, you'll see an accounting tab. Click on that and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. Within this menu, select Advanced. This is where Xero keeps more detailed settings that pertain to your business's financial management. After clicking Advanced, look for the Financial Settings section and click on it. This area might seem a bit complex if you're not familiar with it, but don't worry, we're here to simplify it. In the Financial Settings, locate the Change option under the Fiscal Year End heading. This will allow you to adjust the end date of your accounting year. Next, you'll have the opportunity to select the day and month for your new fiscal year end. This feature is great if your business has seasonal trends or if you're aligning with regulatory requirements. Use the calendar interface provided to choose the most suitable date. It's always a good idea to double check with your financial advisor or accountant to ensure the date you select meets all legal and business operational needs. Once you've selected the new date, confirm your choice by clicking Done. And just like that, you've successfully changed your year-end date in Xero. It really is that simple once you know where to go and what options to select. Remember, keeping your financial settings accurate and updated to reflect your business needs is crucial for accounting precision and compliance. Now you can continue with your financial management knowing that your year-end date is exactly where you need it to be. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more useful guides on navigating Xero and other accounting tools. Until next time, happy accounting.